Alright everyone, so today just show you how to add volumetric lights in Unreal. Might be a few things, that might prevent it from doing the thing. So if you go to lit, let me just turn this one on. There's volumetric lights here. And how did this happen, you may ask? Well, first of all, you have to make sure volumetric scattering intensity, as much as you want it to be, just at least more than 0, I guess, more than 0. And then you get some form. And the reason why I'm able to see this is because, well, scalability. If you have it lower than, high, then it just kind of does this instead. Oh, and also another way to know, another thing that you might need is a exponential height fog, which does all the magic. Scattering, turn it off and you get this. So yeah, and scattering distribution does this, which is weird. And this. So yeah, make sure that's at least at 0 or 0.1 or something like that. So it doesn't, white albedo, black alpha, 0 emissive extinction scale, blah blah. Turn volumetric fog, turn your density. Ooh, that's a lot of volumetric lights. But I don't know, one should do it. Nope. Yeah. 0.15. Yeah. And so, yeah. That's it. I'm gonna turn that off. And then, over lit, you can just turn it to unlit if everything's too dark for you. You can just see only, colors and textures. Also, a little quick devlog, I guess. I'm just gonna show you this game right now. Porcupine's Fate. So, to look around. Light up 003 janitor caught sleeping on the job. Oh gosh, not the janitor. Go to here. Oh, right. Come on. Yeah, I'll fix that, I guess. Possibly so over here, all I have to do is put this all the way where you can actually, and then over in the sphere, I'll scale that down like so. Something like that should do it. Yeah. I'm not gonna tell you the story, it's gonna be a spoiler. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a sequel if you like this once it's out, I guess. E to interact. Oh. Right up 3 janitor caught sleeping on the job. Wow. You got the maintenance key. Yay. Alright, now down we go. So yeah, you get over to here, and yeah. Now I'll tell you where this game originated from. It's another game I made with Wonder's game engine, which was terrible. Okay, so if I just go over desktop, Porcupine, search up Porcupine. I don't even know where the original game is now. It's on my desktop. Should clear it out one day. Open file location. Let's see, what's .exe? And yes, I use Blender Game Engine, so you can see a lot of this. Chapter 2 project.exe. And this. Oh yeah, right. This one is the one that has no sound. Oh wait, no, this is a .blend file. Oh no. Whoops. Hold on. Chapter 2 project.blend. Come on, where is it? It's gotta be here somewhere. Oh no. Whoops. Nope. It is here somewhere. Just a sec. Where is it? Yeah, I think this is the one. No. Yeah, I think this is the only one. I found another one with sound. I think this is the one with sound. Oh gosh, there's lag. You can see there's not even anything here. It's just there. Oh gosh. And then there's this. Max FPS this engine can run is 60. Not much, eh? And yes, W can also go in a diagonal kind of way. Level A, and yet we've got flickeringness. Yeah, this was from about a year ago, a few months ago, something like that. And then, oh gosh, now we're in Lagsville at 0.00001 FPS, and the controls for the mouse are inverted. Yeah, right click is shoot. And I pretty much have destroyed the thing. Come on, get it? Oh. Wow, that was not even... I kind of like this animation here, just this one animation. There's even depth of field. I mean, that was already built in, I guess. And W is backwards. S is still forward. Even better version of forward. A does that, which is actually the one correct thing. Well, I'm just going to use S from now on. Come on. Yeet. Just gotta... Unreal Engine is like Blender Game Engine, but like 1 million bajillion quadrillion quadrillion jillion and quintillion or something. Octo duo vagicillion Googleplex times better than Blender Game Engine. I have to collect all these weird things. You can see there's barely any kind of geometry here, and yet it lagged. So there's that. I'm not done. I really, So anyway, bye.